how else, like, let's extend the sales process here. Because I look at it from a discovery standpoint. You're preparing for a meeting.
Yeah.
I actually use these tools for like role play to tell me what are good questions to ask this person. So it comes up with really, and I'm trying to find impact. So what's a good impact question I can ask this person to show them I understand the situation, but isn't too generic. So what are some of the ones that what are some of the prompts that you're using kind of further on after you kind of get that perspectives account plan and maybe send a few emails and get somebody to say, yeah, let's have this conversation?
Yeah, I mean, for me, I'm just pulling up like a prompt that I've used. So you use it for account planning, you use it for emails, but for meeting prep has been the most impactful for me. I mean, like even for the Walmart example, like let's say it's a ChatGPT prompt. Let's say I've built a point of view already within the same thread. And I'll say, okay, great. You got a response from this person. He's ready to take a meeting. My goal with the meeting is to share my high level point of view, understand his top priorities, determine whether they have a problem of which you can solve or a priority goal which you can help them achieve, and gain his sponsorship to proceed with deep discovery. Using all the information in this thread, please create a prep document for the meeting in the following format: intent for call, agenda, 3 bullets I can attach to the meeting invite, a high-level point of view, something I can share at a high level to this person to have them open up. For example, as I mentioned in my email, I was doing some research and noticed X. I think Microsoft can help in the following way. And then discovery questions based on research to uncover problems that Microsoft can solve. And you should see this thing. I mean, it's just like a perfect document, intent thing.
Yeah.
And after that, you read that thing and it gives you context. Then you can play with it, use your experience to kind of adjust things, whatever you need to do. There's also another one that I had where, like, let's say it's a Monday morning, you got a meeting coming up in an hour that you're just not ready for, right?
Yep.
Maybe it's a existing client that you kind of connect with regularly. Maybe you know there was an opportunity in the past. So same kind of thing. Go to Bing GPT. What are some of the problems I could be experiencing if I'm a CIO at this company? Think about industry trends, current economic headwinds, etc. Okay, so it kind of puts me in the person I'm connecting with's world. Gives you some great information. How could the Microsoft partnership and the product I sell help me with where I'm at today? I am in the process of evaluating X, maybe an opportunity you heard about in the past. I'm focused on delivering business value through operational efficiency and finding ways to add value to my organization. So just ideas, thinking, prepping for meetings. And then you take that, copy paste it into ChatGPT and say, hey, based on this information, give me a prep document, intent for call, create an agenda for me, a couple follow-up emails. So it's like, it doesn't do everything. I mean, I guess it kind of does a lot for you, but it's how you think about it. It's not going to do it automatically. You need to think with it. You got to be there. It's not going to automate you.